So, hello everyone, I am Samruddhi Fatte and I am currently pursuing my Masters in Zoology from Goa University. So, this opportunity with the Greenwald Foundation led me to learn about the practical work or the field work at the grassroots level, how to carry out various techniques in the actual field. So, we visited various hotspots such as the Nahargarh Biological Park, where we spotted various fauna in the natural habitat, especially the jackal, which made our day actually as we spotted it in the wild. Then the experts such as Dr. Satyaprakash Mehra, whose expertise in various fields such as the wildlife ecology, the AV fauna, and how the animals coexist with communities, let us expanded our knowledge, especially our experience with Dr. Satyaprakash Mehra. We learned various things such as how human and animal coexist together, how actually the wildlife works and it coexists with the nature, what all things goes on. So we visited different biodiversity hotspots such as the Nahargarh Park, where we interacted with Sir Bharadwaj, who briefed us on the avifauna fauna and the floral fauna of that area. He briefed us on the bird ecology, how the ecosystem works, and how they coexist in nature. Sir Bharadwaj also explained how there is a relation between the flora and the birds. He explained us the medicinal value of different plants. He Throughout the trail he showed us the different avifauna present there, especially the peacocks. We saw the feathers fallen on the ground. We experienced them coexisting in that area together with different birds. He explained us all the flora present in that area, their history, their medicinal value, how people or the local communities consume them, what they use it for, etc. This short stay here led us to learn about the true nature, how to really experience it by living it. This gave us an opportunity to understand the concepts outside the classroom, in the nature, in the wild, in different habitats, and really live it and enjoy it. And uh, I am very grateful towards the foundation for this, especially Dr. Satyaprakash sir, Indrajit sir, and Ma'am Seema. Thank you. Similarly, we had various sightings of Nilgai around the in and around the Greenwald Foundation, where through the interactions with local we came to know how they coexist with the Nilgai, as they frequently raid their agriculture farms.
Hello everyone, my name is Chaitri and I would like to share a few words about the stay at the Agro-based farm here in the Green World Foundation. So talking about the stay, it is one of the best part of the best experience I would say about the journey. The simple traditional rooms, the slow living environment and the food, it was a great experience. It helped us to slow down the fast moving life and deeply connect with the nature. So anyone who is interested for birding, or say suppose you want to learn about the nature more or connect with the nature deeply, you can jump to this place.
Namaste. My name is Teja Sodankar, currently pursuing my MSc degree in zoology at Goa University. Me and my five colleagues were doing 15 days internship at Green World Foundation, which is situated at Jaipur, Rajasthan. We were very lucky to do our internship at this agro-based farm, Green World Foundation, which is owned by Indrajit Chatsar and Seema. This was found to be a great platform for all of us for having an internship under the guidance of Dr. Satyaprakash Mehra sir, who provided us with his immense knowledge in wildlife and biodiversity and his experience in 30 years in this field. During internship days, we also got chance to interact with the local farmers, panchayat members, and local communities around this area, which provided us with the traditional knowledge and cultural aspect of this area, which added to the great experience of this internship. This also led to the having a conversation with the many expertise in this field, such as Dr. Bharadwaj sir, Manish Ashwa, Ravi Madan, and also a experience with the Guruji Balbir, who provided a spiritual aspect of the biodiversity around us. I personally had a great experience at Nahargarh Zoological Park visit, which was undertaken by Dr. Bharadwaj sir, who provided us with his knowledge on the flora and biodiversity of the surrounding of Nahargarh. Throughout the internship, we had a great exposure and added many things to our knowledge. This all possible due to only the efforts of Green World Foundation member. So in the future, I will incite people, and especially the students, to come here and have a such experience at the Green World Foundation. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रुपेश डोईफोड़े है और मैं गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी का विद्यार्थी हूँ एंड टुडे आई फील ऑनर्ड टू शेयर माय इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस विद ग्रीन वर्ल्ड फाउंडेशन। सबसे पहले मैं गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी और डॉक्टर नितिन सर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर गोवा यूनिवर्सिटी, उनको धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा फॉर गिविंग अस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डू इंटर्नशिप इन ग्रीन वर्ल्ड फाउंडेशन। ऑल्सो मैं ग्रीन वर्ल्ड फाउंडेशन के फाउंडर्स इंद्रराज सर एंड सीमा मैम को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा, जो डॉक्टर सत्यप्रकाश सर के साथ मिलकर इस फाउंडेशन को डेडिकेशन और विजन के साथ रन कर रहे हैं। मैं स्पेशली डॉक्टर सत्यप्रकाश सर के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा। उनका 30 साल का फील्ड एक्सपीरियंस हमारे लिए बहुत वैल्यूएबल था। उन्होंने हमें इकोलॉजी, वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड कम्युनिटी बेस्ड कंजर्वेशन को प्रैक्टिकली समझने में मदद की। मैं इंद्रराज सर एंड सीमा मैम को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा। दोनों एग्रीकल्चर के एक्सपर्ट्स हैं और उन्होंने हमें फार्मिंग प्रैक्टिसेस एंड द चैलेंजेस फेस्ड बाय द फार्मर्स के बारे में वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर की। इंटर्नशिप के दौरान उन्होंने हमारे फूड, ट्रैवल और अदर नेसेसरी थिंग्स का ध्यान रखा, जिससे हम लर्निंग पर फोकस कर पाए। ग्रीन वर्ल्ड फाउंडेशन ने हमें भारद्वाज सर, रवि सर और अन्य अधिकारियों के टॉक्स अटेंड करने का मौका दिया। उनसे हम काफ़ी कुछ सीख पाए। ये फाउंडेशन सिर्फ एनवायरनमेंट एंड फील्ड वर्क तक लिमिटेड नहीं है। उन्होंने हमारे लिए योगा सेशन एंड गुरुजी के साथ एक स्पिरिचुअल सेशन भी रखा था। टू कंक्लूड, ये इंटर्नशिप सिर्फ एक ट्रेनिंग नहीं थी, बल्कि एक कंप्लीट लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस थी। मैं दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स और यंग रिसर्चर्स को एनकरेज करना चाहूँगा कि वो यहाँ आए और इंटर्नशिप का एक्सपीरियंस ले। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Shivam Raut and I am a master's student from Goa University. I am grateful to share my experience with Green World Foundation. We had a wonderful opportunity to learn about the ecology and biodiversity of Jaipur, Rajasthan. An experience that has been both educational and inspiring for a student like me. This internship was truly enriching. It included visits to different habitats, interaction with the locals, communication with the panchayats, and knowing about the local ecosystem and about understand how biodiversity conservation is closely connected to local communities. I would like to thank Indraraj sir and Seema ma'am, the founders of Green World Foundation, who organized a wide range of informative interactions with experts from different fields. I am especially thankful to Dr. Satyaprakash Mehra, the backbone of our internship learning, whose lectures and field based teaching made this experience truly meaningful. A special thanks to my guide, Dr. Nitin Sawan, for his constant support and motivation. I am proud to have been a part of Green World Foundation, and I will definitely recommend these types of internship to anyone who is interested in ecology, biodiversity, and conservation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Geeta and I'm currently pursuing my master's degree at Goa University, and I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Nitin Sawan for giving us this opportunity, and I would especially like to thank the co-founders of Green World Foundation, Mr. Indra Raj and Miss Seema, and all the members here who were there to support us and who were there to comfort us in every way possible. And the setup here, it really connects us with the nature. My overall experience at this Greenwald Foundation was amazing, and I wish to visit the Greenwald Foundation again in future.